What's going on, peeps? I'm so excited. Y'all, it's so beautiful today. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, the sun. What is it, little big girl farmer?
I saw a super duper ginormous bee and I screamed.
I heard you. A super duper ginormous bee. Bless her heart.
Yeah, that one's not good.
Why is it not good?
I don't like that dot.
Oh, it's okay. You can cut that off.
Or peel it.
Or peel it off, yep. Or bite it off. It doesn't look like it's a entry for an insect. It just looks like it might have started to crack or something. I don't know, but you can cut it off. Cherry tomato plants just keep on giving. You know, it's like, my goodness. There's cherry tomatoes everywhere. And so this is my first year actually growing so many. Yeah, these tomatoes are they're starting to crack. Look at there. And we've been getting a lot of rain. So, I mean, you can still eat them. But, oh, what is that? What is that?
That?
It looks like a squash bug that hasn't turned brown yet. That's what it looks like to me.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. I got a few like that. Just cracked. So you can still snack on them. It's all good. Well, look what I need to harvest next. This will be my third time harvesting Kentucky Wonder Pole beans, and I absolutely love them. It almost feels like you're never gonna get to. It takes a long time for the plants. I feel like maybe not a long time, but it's like the plants establish themselves, then they start vining up, and then it feels like it takes forever for them to produce flowers, because you know when you see the flowers you're gonna have fruit soon. But it does not take long for fruit to start to set, because these pollinators, honey, if you got them out here, they will do their business, okay? And so I didn't hand pollinate any of those, the Kentucky Wonders. I just, the bees and flies and everything else that's flying around out here has helped me with that. I feel like I'm trying to get the little...
Mom.
Look at these guys.
Mommy, excuse me.
I can't catch them. They're so fast. Can y'all see them? It's like little bees all over the place. Let me show y'all what else is going on. I don't typically, or haven't for some reason, showed y'all much of the backyard of the rest of the garden this year. So anyway, here is Little Big Girl Farmer's corn. It's starting to form. Oh, we already got little... Oh, okay. I didn't even notice. So that means we're going to have some corn soon. And again, I don't think she's going to eat this. I think we're just going to use it as kind of an ornamental for the fall. And we got some worms eating up the sage. They're just everywhere, y'all. Just everywhere. Ugh, look at that. Daggone it. The worm activity has definitely been up this year. But not abnormal. Okay, I always have problems with worms. Here are some of the watermelons. These are tender orange watermelons, so hopefully those make it. We're trying to keep them watered and everything. They do require a lot of water, a lot of feeding. We got some back there. Uh-oh. Hello, y'all. Let's see. Yep. Got a few melons back here. And so those are looking good. Strawberries just stopped producing for us, y'all, and then all of a sudden they started producing, and now they look crazy again, so I don't know. But they keep making flowers, so we're just gonna let them do what they do. This is a tomato limb that accidentally broke off. I just stuck it in some soil with some water and just made sure it stayed water for a while, and it established roots. And you can see close wherever the dirt touches is where roots come out at. So you can see it there. I'm getting ate up by mosquitoes, y'all. Sweet potatoes here and over there. Sugar baby watermelons. There's one resting inside of that crate right there. And then I got a few along the fence here. So I'm excited about that. I'm trying to root my raspberry bush right here that I have. I'm trying to root it. I got this idea from Miss Angela's Busy Bees Garden and Homestead. And the backyard looks a hot mess, okay, because our landscaper actually cut his fingers off when he was mowing our yard. I know, horrible, absolutely horrible. And apparently he just cut the tips off, but still, yeah, I don't want to cut nothing off. But so he's recovering, and so our grass is kind of high in the back. But y'all, we got crops back here producing. I've pulled out a lot of things. So I'm getting some people to come over and help me kind of clean all of this up and out, because we may be moving soon. So I will let you know in a few videos what that's all about. But for now, we still got tomatoes, we still got greens, a lot of things going to seed back here too. That's kind of the reason why I haven't spent a lot of time back here showing you all, because this has been my collect seed garden, I feel like, this year. So a lot of things going to seed. I still got more parsley to gather here, seeds. I mean, y'all, there's just everywhere, seeds everywhere. So that's kind of the reason why I haven't showed you much of the backyard, but there it is. Okay, y'all, so this is all rainwater that needs to be dumped out, because it is, I'm sure, a breeding ground for mosquitoes. But we're going to use that to water the garden. The Malabar spinach is growing strong. The vines are spreading out everywhere. You see them over there, like the dark burgundy vines. The okra is doing well. I have 2 new plants right there, and the other 5, 6 plants are on the side of the shed over here. And everything's doing really well. I've gotten a lot of compliments from neighbors. We've shared a lot of our food with neighbors. Little Big Girl Farmer loves going around the neighborhood and giving them bags of cherry tomatoes and things. The apple tree, this is one of the apple trees, has really taken off, and we'll probably dig her up when we move. If we move, when we move, we'll see what happens. But overall, y'all, I've had a great year, and I'm just excited to see what's to come, and share that with y'all as we journey to our next destination, next chapter in life. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty dope. It's gonna be pretty dope. Pepper's still putting on here. This is the lipstick pepper, and starts out as green peppers and then eventually turns like this beautiful, beautiful lipstick red. Okay, and yeah, so it's tremendous. The squirrels, you know, have been getting me, and they're trying everything they can, right, to rock it out over here. So that's okay, but I have so much. I have so much in abundance. Looks like something was trying to climb these plants, and broke my stems. So I got several big tomatoes on here. I guess I need to get, because it looks like that's what they were trying to do, work their way. Look at there. Yeah. These are German queens. Oh my goodness, I've got bit. Oh, I hate spraying bug spray on my body every time I come outside, but that's what might happen. Okay, y'all. I'm just yapping away. Y'all see all these tomatoes though? Like tons. These are San Marzanos, y'all. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. You know I love you. I love y'all. Bye.